Yo, my name's Migga Marsel. I rep the Sound Cartel on Northside Radio. It's that time of the evening, people. It's Friday night. Not only do I have Northside Radio headquarters filled up a lot right now of talent, we're about to kick into our first live jam this evening. You know how we do though, we don't stop at one, people, so don't go anywhere. They're going to be popping off all night while I've got artists, and pretty much I'm already going to start asking the artists to go. I've got that many here. So listen, right now guys, we're going to jump into things. I've got a live jam that's going to be started off by the Strange Arrangement and Mumbles and Madhouse DJs. Give me a little bit of feeling there, fellas. What are you doing over there right now? We just listen up. If you wanna come and battle, listen up. You wanna come and battle, with the body bag. Listen up.
We are the Strange Arrangement. We're now live on the north side. We're chilling with Mumbles and numerous other artists. We're gonna kick it off. You're gonna hear some live shit. Yeah, you now listening to Northside. We got some people in the room that everybody best believe, yo. We gonna hear it with the higher lyrics, higher mind. 360 unwind your mind. One time it's like I'm bringing it back with some illegitimate rap. I rap in time, but I don't think that's happening in my mind. So I find the time just to coincide with other real dudes, yo. This is real food for thought. Listen up. Feeding my soul and it's half a little bit crazy. Imagine if the motherfuckers paid. Yeah, my passion lies where the fucking mic is. I'm not fucking frightened, so Freddy Krueger, come at me. I know exactly where he is when I just go to sleep. It's like I roll with the deepest streets. Get the beat, yo. Next up is Ziggy, representing Sydney. What the fuck, son? Come and get with me.
Yeah, you should come to the Foundry this Friday night. Bring your mates down there, cause I'll be grabbing a mic. Who's gonna be there? Broken Thought, Mumbles and I. And get yourself through the door while only costing you $5 is nada. There'll be a couple MCs on the stage, 200 meters down Harris Street to cop to the tape. It's true, starting 11:30, jamming till 2. Jamming the food, jamming the door, and I'll hand you the booze. It's gonna be a good time. If you jam or you run, come down and check you out the Foundry 616 tonight. I'll jump on the mic, and you always will see the ZIG burning up this fucking MIC. I'm here with the boys, do it, jump on the rhythm. I'm here with Diego, Talakai, and Aphorism. When I walk around a circle, man, and how on I'm looking at it's Wizla, Theobend for now. On the mic, it's loud, bust it, I'm humble, in trouble, hanging out, Micks, King, and Mumbles. This freestyle I'm busting, I am never stopping, hanging out with boys from Cracking Eggs and Lauren. In the studio I'll be saying, and I'm looking up at Marsel, and he's always playing, pretending he's doing shit. Never nuts, man, I'm pissing on the pisser when I stop and hand you shit to Wizla, what?
Yeah, know how we do. Representing 993 Northside crew. I'll be breaking it down like this when I'm rapping a freestyle twist off the top of the tongue. Yeah, boy, keep it hot, I'll never miss. Repping the streets, repping the Madhouse click, breaking it down with the streets. Freestyle's always sick. Yeah, Talakai next to me on the drive, we were cruising. Blasted mad hip hop, we be bruising. In the Commodore round NCL4, sure we blasted. Dropping that fat shit, I'm everlasting. Flop this looks like everlast. I'll be smoking heaps of beer. Running with NWA, I see fuck the police, yes. This controller, Mr. Officer. Breaking it down, giving it off my chop, shit, just busting love. Breathing, I'm kicking, represent the street. Ballistic shit, I'm kicking, swinging after you can eat.
Yo, Talakai. They telling me that my level will never be that. Head in the back and running with some of the humblest numbers. I'm busting, we put in the castle back in the map. Yeah, what happened to rap? They rapping with nothing in the back, and they lack in the town. They're letting me out of it. All the yapping is nothing but trash. Hold up, we back in the business. No love, we taking the prisoners. They claim religion. What is it with the books and the cause and the bitching? I'm missing pieces of the thesis of Jesus, and I was hoping to see it to go against the believers. I need it. For real, I ain't finished yet. So many ifs and buts, we broke the internet. In the connect, we eightfold. Aim for the fake, we break molds. Stepping in the ring with a self-made king, and I lock the low with a chokehold. And I run that back like Jim Brown. Talking the town, I'm here now. Madonna with the Brit to London Bridge. I sure as hell went forward, and I'm a menace. I'm a vandal, I'm a prick of a person. But yo, I still can't breathe. And the people of Burgers and I'm... Yeah. north side. Yo, not even 4 in the morning, these fuckers already boring me. Heavy slaughter, getting awesomely disorderly. I don't really know what I can do other than prove that I'm a useless motherfucker, smoking noobs and getting stupid till my vision's distorted and feel this shit is important. Get boring, I need a drink, I can't really afford it. Take a trip to the bank, see what we got in the funds. Forgot I'm a drunk, watering and swallowing drugs, and all I need is a feed and another couple of pieces of stuff. Bust and make him jump to the beat, fucking believe it, all that I require. Pair of Nikes that I admire, then dying guy turns into Michael Myers, jumping the line of fire. Driving live on the wire, already getting me higher. All I need is a lighter and a supply. Now the volcanic somatic about to erupt, undoubtedly fuck. Tripping, spinning out with a rut, tell me what's up.
Can't handle what I'm saying and it's making you weak. Living now is my name and I'm making you free. Money shoulder MCs with all the words that I speak. Check out my chances, it's a trick that I need. Like the shoes on my feet, through the beat standing next to me. The far from standard MCs, let the beat breathe. And I'm making you weak if you need. Every single day of the week, pass the mic to Jason.
I'd like to say a shout out to Northside, Ziggy, Aphorism, all the rest of the dudes. All good. Yo. And I let go like ghetto. Got a piece of me mental. Her face was so ass was so dope though. And I bet her over Toto and Toto to Choto. Hands up in your head, man. Wait just like they lip hands. Getting you up, getting you down. Say fretted and dreaded and dreading the present. Don't fret what I said, man. Get a front off what I said, man. It's a blue man versus a red man versus a dead man.
Check it one time.
In the blue I race a dad, brought the mans holding hands, lovers dance with them for another chance to show you love. Brothers Bob and Dobbins, they just show you sharp. Give them a chance in your hands and they just blow you up. Book a gig same night just to show you up. But they the coldest, boldest, older, shoulder to shoulder. Think that I owe you love. Same way I did prophets and prop for a prop, so I feel like oh you was. See, but where you gonna go now? On a wet dude that's so loud, and that bad dude knows so well. I gotta be on a cheap low now. Where you gonna go now? Where you gonna go now? Corners was cuddling, economy, constantly on me, slithering Motown.
Okay, right now, people.
What? They wanna go and never wanna feel it. Outside we living like we're killing in the ceiling. No, why they got the paper? Turn it up 100, 0 to 100 like oh my fucking real quick. I got it worse like your old chapstick on the floor like the glue looking like you would dick. I gonna motherfucking get it. You get it down like I never wanna go like I did on a bad behavior. Go that muscle. I got them people like he got the muscle. I'ma call it. What you gonna do? I get out like you just going in and truly I'm the savior. Got bad behavior. Never get around, they just wanna call me their player. Oh no, they didn't care. Like I put it on the ground and I stepped on it.
Get on the microphone and spit and I'll whip it. My ass upon the place and never buying a ticket. But yo, this is how I represent in the place to be. I'm just a dope MC here in the SYD. And this is me, motherfucker, when I represent. I come from hell, but I always kinda been heaven sent. Hey yo, on the mic I be that ill self-comma. I represent Sydney, shouts to Sarah Connor. In the place, yo, I keep it old school. That's the way we do it now, and that's the golden rule. Hey, yo, the mic in my hand, that's the plan when I rip it, flip it, lyrical dialects. Hey, yo, I never want to skip it, but yo, we do it just like that. I get up right up on the mic, and yo, these beats are fat. Because that's the way we do it, never stumble when I fumble. That's such an obvious setup, yo. Shout outs to Mumbles. Yes, yes, yo, I know that you can handle me. Red this sick, Def Jam, but Spaceport's my family. In the place to be, mighty ass one time I'll be your dope MC.
I'm the spanner in the works, the man who rehearse. Yeah, I managed to combust the damage that I assert, cause I'm in the verse, dramatically unrehearsed. Yeah, I managed to combust the damage that I assert. Yeah, I'm rabid on the verse, I can cram it on the verbs as I'm going and holding and showing and towing and super control of my words. The scrutiny will go on unheard. I'm shooting, aiming for the deadliest tub, enough that I can create music as if my semen was the reason Mozart was birthed. Yeah, I'm stepping ahead of the herd, a weapon with the venomous slur. I'm disrespecting any enemy I ever incur. On the microphone level, I'll endeavor to burn any competitor, never let up as I continue to learn. It's absurd how addicted to this rhyming I've been. Obsessed with being the next best MC. I concur that I'm convicted to weather this time I invest to incur the amount that I desire to possess. Getting tired now I'm left. No marks and flow, finger at the moon with the